Hi, this is Ashok. So in this video, we are going to discuss about important ASHRAE standards. As you are aware, ASHRAE is nothing but American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineer. It stands for American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineer. So in ASHRAE, there are a lot of standards. I think so more than 50 standards are there in ASHRAE. But out of that, few of standards are we are regularly using in our project, in our day-to-day life. We are regularly referring the codes like in such a codes are ASHRAE 55 and ASHRAE 62.1 and ASHRAE 62.2 and ASHRAE 90.1 and ASHRAE 19.2 and ASHRAE 189.1. So apart from this, other codes are important codes may be there, but these codes are very important and everybody has to know and what is these standards and why and what these standards is talking about and which related things. Okay, so everybody has to know about this one. So first of all, we let us take 55 ASHRAE 55. ASHRAE 55 is purely for thermal environmental condition for human occupancy. Okay, so ASHRAE 55 is talk about thermal environmental condition for human occupancy. And let's next week coming to the ASHRAE 62.1 and 62.2. So both are talks about ventilation and acceptable indoor air quality. There are small minor changes to be there in the ASHRAE 62.1 and 62.2. So 62.1 is completely for ventilation and minimum ventilation and acceptable indoor air quality, and 62.2 is also referring for ventilation and minimum ventilation and minimum ventilation and acceptable indoor air quality in residential building. For residential building, we have to refer for 62.2. Except the residential building, like other building, like except residential building, we have to refer for 62.1 standards. Okay, and next we come to 90.1 and 90.2. So both will talk about the energy standards. Okay, so specifically the 90.1 is for what energy standard for site and building, except low-rise residential building. So except low-rise residential building, we have to follow this. We have to refer the 90.1 standard. For 90.2 is dedicatedly for low-rise residential building, like energy efficient design of low-rise residential building. We have to refer for 90.2. And finally 189.1. 189.1 is this thing is talk about high performance green building. The standards for the design for standard for the design for the high performance green building and accept low rise residential building. Okay, so these ASHRAE 55 and ASHRAE 62.1 and 62.2 and 90.1, 90.2 and 189.1. So we'll talk about these are the categories. So when we referring these standards and we are frequently using low rise residential building. So what is here a low rise residential building? It means that what, particularly the building height. So for any building have some limit, some heights. So that height should not exceed 35 meter. So if the building height less than 35 meter and less than the 35 meter, we will call it as a low rise residential building. Okay, if the building height is more than 35 meter, and it will come to other category. Okay, so less than 35 meter we will refer as low rise building. Okay, so for my experience, we are referring less than 35 meter, the building have the less than the building height have less than 35 meter, we call it as low rise building. And if it is wrong, please mention in the comment box. And also apart from these important standards like 55, 62.1 and 90.1, 90.2, 99.1, so any other standards is very important and everybody has to know. If you feel that these standards is very important and everybody has to know these standards also like that, if you are thinking, so please mention in the comment box. The people who watching this video, they will check the comment box and they will read and they will upgrade themselves. Okay. So that's it. That's it about ASHRAE important standards, and we will discuss about MVC code, important MVC code in our next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.